Some of you may be wondering, why would I get an exhaust? What about your terrible tires? What about the stock sway bar? What about the horrible stock dampers? Those are all very important things. But what I want is for my car to make noise. This is what it sounds like right now. Yeah, don't do that on purpose. First thing I gotta do is take off this bumper cover. If you watch my older videos, you know I used to stick a crescent wrench between the bumper cover and the engine lid. If you also need something pulling up on your engine lid in order to open it, try just rotating these little rubber things. They will basically apply an upward force onto the engine lid. These 12s are 10s. They're 10s. Taillight number 2. There we go. So just pull up on this corner and then pull that out. Do that on both sides. Taillights are out. Now the next thing that I know has to come off is this bolt right here. There's a 10 mil right here. You don't need to remove the wheel well liner. Alright, and you can pull out. These are all the same bolt too, that helps. Oh, and then there's a plastic panel clip. Reach your hand up to where the license plate lights are, grab them, turn them counterclockwise, and just pull them out. If you don't want your bulbs out like this, you can also just use these disconnects right here. There's a problem here because this is on a stud. This muffler is a U shape. The input is here and the output is here. This is the end of the mid pipe, and here is the after cat O2 sensor. The cat is actually right here. So I need to get these two bolts out and then get the muffler off the hangers, and that's it. Unfortunately, as you can see, these bolts don't look like bolts anymore. I'm not sure how hellish it will be to actually get those off. It's like a 15 or a 14 here on the bottom. Wow, that is just actually a 14. I'm gonna get my big 14 and the breaker bar. Oh my god, it didn't break. If the other one could also not break, that would be spectacular. Oh, yes. Oh, jeez. Oh, so lucky. God damn, man. Now, we have to take off this rubber bushing, and this rubber bushing. So take your 12 mil and just unbolt the sucker. There we go. This is now detached. Oh. Oh. Real quick, I'm totally going to start this up with no exhaust to see what it sounds like. Oh my god. I can't run the car like that. Weighs 28.6 pounds. This one is 20.2. That's a saving of 8.4 pounds. Out with the old and in with the new. This muffler is much smaller than this one. Hopefully it sounds better. If it sounds better, I'll be happy. If you're watching this video, you don't want an OEM muffler, but if you do, I live in central-ish Virginia, so if you're like sort of in the area and you want an OEM exhaust, just come get it.